Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram folders tidy and focused by hiding chats you've already read, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to exclude read chats from a folder on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. This quick guide will help you filter out the noise and see only the conversations that matter most. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and can see your chat list and folders on the left side of the window. Next, look at the folders listed in the left menu. Find the folder you want to customize. Right-click on that folder to open a small menu of options. From this menu, select Edit Folder. This will open the folder's settings, where you can adjust what appears inside. Now look for the option labeled Add Excluded Chats. Click on it. Here, you'll see several checkboxes for different types of chats you might want to exclude. To hide chats you've already read, check the box next to Read. This tells Telegram to automatically filter out any chat that doesn't have unread messages, keeping your folder focused only on what still needs your attention. Once you've checked Read, review your settings to make sure everything looks good. When you're ready, click Save. Your folder will now update, and any chat you've already read will disappear from view in that folder, leaving only the ones with unread messages. That's it. You've successfully set up your Telegram folder to exclude read chats on your PC. This feature is perfect for staying organized, especially if you're part of lots of groups or channels and want to quickly spot what's new. If you ever want to change these settings, just repeat these steps and adjust the exclusions as needed. Enjoy a cleaner, more focused chat experience on Telegram.